For over 80 years, Electro Voice has been a leader and innovator in the pro audio industry it helped create. Today, everything we've learned about building sound systems for the world's biggest tours and events is condensed down into LiveX, our most exciting portable loudspeaker family ever. Welcome to the LiveX Launchpad. With 3 powered and 4 passive models, all competitively priced and suited for a wide range of applications, LiveX offers an unbeatable combination of stunning design, professional-grade audio performance, and amazing value. All LiveX models feature premium Electro Voice engineered components and lightweight but rugged solid wood cabinets. Powered versions are equipped with specially designed 1,700 watt Class D amplifiers. Add pole mounts and built-in monitor angles to the equation, and you have an incredibly versatile loudspeaker system. Hear for yourself, and we think you'll agree, LiveX delivers some serious sound. Electro Voice LiveX, offering you an unbeatable combination of stunning design, professional-grade performance, and amazing value. Thanks for listening.